How to use Clipboard History on Windows. Hello everyone, want to make the most out of your clipboard? Let's learn how to use Clipboard History on Windows. Press Windows key plus V to open the Clipboard History prompt. If it's not enabled, you'll see a message prompting you to turn it on. Click Turn On to enable Clipboard History. Use Ctrl plus C and right-click and select Copy to copy a text, images, or other items to your clipboard. Press Windows key plus V again to open the Clipboard History panel. And here, you'll see a list of items you've copied. Click on any item in the Clipboard History panel to paste it into your current document or text field. To keep an item in your Clipboard History, click the pen icon next to it. This will keep it from being overwritten by new items. To clear all items, click Clear All at the top of the Clipboard History panel. To remove individual items, click on the three dots next to an item and select Delete. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and used Clipboard History on Windows. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials. Happy copying and pasting.